17, 18, 19, 20. That should do it. And one small pea that I had to bring all the way up to the pantry, all the way up the most killing stairs in the kingdom. All right, you can come in now. Did you bring everything? The hypnotic mirror? And the rest of the things?
Yes, Madame.
And the girl? Where is the girl? Doesn't she know it's long past her bedtime? She should be dropping from exhaustion. Oh, it's you. Ready for bed? You must be ready to get a good night's rest so you'll be fresh early tomorrow morning for your trip back to your kingdom or wherever you're going. The hypnotic mirror and the incantation. The wizard said it would be written right on the wrapper.
Here it is, Your Majesty.
Yes. Silken, swishing sibilance wraps us in a gentle trance. Deep in Morpheus's arms we lie. Off we go to bed, boy!
You know, I think I'm getting a sty right here.
Bring the poppy mandragora incense. Drowsy incense, sweet aroma, wraps us in a gentle coma. Murmuring voices seem to say, Mr. Sandman's on his way. That ought to get us to sleep now, shouldn't it? The sleeping draught. The sleeping draught. That's right, a little extract of opium and more milk before going to bed, I always say. Drink it down. Now, I'm sure you're going to get a good night's rest. I wish I could say the same for myself. And to make sure you have no trouble drifting off, we've made a special treat for you. Bring on the Nightingale of Samarkand! Who has the Nightingale of Samarkand? Naturally, I have to do everything myself! All right, Birdie, sing! You are brought here to put a live princess to sleep, not to wake a dead one. Now let's have a lullaby, Birdie, nice and soft.
All right, sheep. I'm ready when you are.